morning, guys. It is 8 a.m. I have my coffee. I have some comfy clothes on, set active, full disclosure, because I am getting it together today. We're cleaning out my closet, then we're also going to switch some of my summer clothes for my fall clothes. I'm just like doing this in faith that it's gonna be getting cold soon. I'm constantly doing closet clean outs and you guys are always asking if you guys can buy the clothes from me. So I'm really excited that we're actually working with Poshmark on today's video, which we will get to soon. Dana just came over and brought me my coffee. It's so good. Love this little fall vibe we have going. And then after, we're actually power washing my rooftop because I haven't used it in forever. We're gonna throw out all of the plants that double as Halloween decor at this point because they're so dead. And we're getting it together. I have book club coming up and we're gonna start hosting on the rooftop. I have happy hours that we're hosting on the rooftop. Like, there is no excuse. So we are cleaning today. We are decluttering. We are getting it together. Put this on as you guys are cleaning your room. Comment below your recent like fall Starbucks order. This is what I've been getting off and on. If you guys saw the stories with the Starbucks drama, then you know. Anyways, subscribe if you guys are new here, but we're gonna get started with the day. So I got back in town from traveling. Oh guys, by the way, Taryn's BFF hoodie finally came. I talked about this in a vlog. We love BFF's podcast. Okay, so we're gonna start with putting these things away because we're gonna end up using this, I think, for organization. We're gonna set a timer for 1 hour for the entire closet. So I'm gonna start with this and then I'm gonna clean out this, and over time I'm gonna have Dana bring over all of my sweaters and then we'll switch it out because I need my sweaters. And also, oh, Coco is trying to drink my coffee. I just can't believe you. She has no respect for authority, literally at all. We're gonna get this going, but this is gonna be a fall closet. Come later today. We're gonna get rid of stuff and we're gonna start Poshmarking. Okay guys, thank you again to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. I'm actually going to be listing some of the items from my closet so you guys can shop my closet. Dana and I are getting them together. I'll show you a few. First thing being this really cute set that I don't know, I bought it and then I ended up never wearing it even though I really like it, but it's one of those things where I just still haven't worn it, so I need to let it go. It's really cute. It has some little feathers here. And then the bottom, oh, love. Okay, another thing that we have, I wore this in New York, this cute little set. I've worn this enough, but I love this outfit. I think it's so cute. And then I also have this really great crew. Look at this. Perfect color, you know? If you guys didn't know, Poshmark is the leading marketplace to buy and sell fashion. You guys can shop from over 9,000 brands in every size, and you can score deals up to 70% off retail. So you can sell and make money from home, and you can list your items for free. It's the easiest way to sell items to clean out your closet, as I'm doing today. You can find amazing deals and shop from thousands of brands. I've seen Free People, they have Reformation, they have Nordstrom, they have Aritzia. I mean, you get really good deals on Poshmark. There are luxury brands available at affordable prices with complimentary authentication for purchases of $500 or more. If you guys buy anything from my closet, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see. I'm also going to be listing a few items for just $3, so it's kind of like a little giveaway. So be sure you download the app, follow me. It'll all be on the screen. You guys can shop my closet, and then in some of the packages I'll be adding like some random like PR stuff. So download the app, follow me, it'll be a good time. Anyways, have fun shopping, guys. If you buy anything from my closet, tag me on Instagram, download the app. I will have everything linked down below. Get excited.
All right, 3,
2, 1,
go!
Woo! Okay, we're in my original closet, and I think what I'm gonna do, because I have more boots, shockingly enough, there's not enough closet space for my shoes and the other one, so I don't know if I'm gonna figure out a way to like store them in here. I guess that's like my only option. This can be a shoe closet. It's really messy right now because we're in the middle of like taking things to the garage and whatever, like reorganizing my house right now. Here I am with my lip gloss. If you guys have a good resolution for like shoe storage and stuff, let me know. I have dirty clothes here because my hamper is downstairs, but mainly I keep like sweat sets and crew necks and stuff in here, and then I bring like my actual outfits out. So I have like this, I have a juicy tracksuit. Oh yeah, oh my god. And you wanna remember this set from last fall? I lived in it. I have some coats. There's too much stuff. I have a lot of really good sweaters. I could do an entire sweater collection from mainly Revolve. H&M last season was the best. We have a lot. What happened in here? Even more. Oh wow. I forgot I bought this vest. This is why it's great to go through your closet, people. Okay, this is the last of that. My closet is gonna be so full. I'm a little bit worried about that. Alright guys, so we have brought in the sweaters. This section of my closet, this is normally where just the matching sets go, but I got rid of the ones I'm not really wearing. And then I'm adding in like my thicker sweaters. And then over here, we're gonna get rid of any crews or anything. Ooh, did you guys see that? Ooh. This is the best crew neck ever, by the way, from Mayfair. It's the best fit. Oh, it's one size plus. It's just, oh my god, it's just the best crew neck ever. It's actually Dom's. But Dom has taken enough of my clothing to where I don't really feel bad that I still have this. Every time she comes over, I hope she forgets that it's here. You know? It's not that I'm stealing. It's never too late to become a redhead. Okay, let's see. This is actually part of a matching set. I don't know where this should go because it's technically a blazer. I'm gonna put it with the blazers, I guess, but it's cropped. This also, this super down long sleeve is the softest thing ever. It's so flattering. My favorite pants ever from Urban. We take these and just hang them up. So that took a lot of space out of there, which is good. Alright guys, it's 9:21. We have 11 minutes left and we finished the closet. We moved over all of my sweaters, which I realize I'm actually eventually gonna get rid of these dresses here because they're very like sundressy, summer or whatever. I'm not gonna need them this fall. It's just not, I will need them probably for the next few weeks. And then I'll move the sweaters over in that area. It's like the chunky sweaters. I mean, look at this one. Beautiful. I love fall clothes. Fall style is so much better. So anyways, we're gonna go get the power washer. My neighbor's letting me borrow it. It's an electric power washer. Power wash the upstairs, and then you guys will see what it looks like. We have a lot of things to throw in the trash. Now that I'm back to being like the hostess with the mostest, we have a lot of things to do. All right guys, here is the after of the closet. I mean, it is just so clean. These blinds need to go. Don't mind that. I mean, ooh, wow. We have some sweaters. Oh, I mean, it's beautiful. So, closet is clean. We have some stuff that we're listing on Poshmark. Feeling really good about it. Now we're gonna go off to the rooftop. Guys, we're on the rooftop now. This is being really loud and it's annoying. These are obviously my Halloween decor. Thank you very much. We are throwing a bunch of stuff away. My umbrellas keep falling. This is just gonna get a total makeover. Gonna feel so much better because I'm hosting on here again starting very, very soon. So we have to get it together. We're gonna do some more gardening up here. Oh, a bowl of mine. So that's good to know. because my friends come out here really late at night and then I just forget. Like there's literally a Cane's box here because someone got that at like 2 a.m. and then it just, I don't know. This also, honestly, it looks gross, but it cleans up really easily. So once we get all this stuff, I'll feel a lot better. We're ready to go. It's very exciting. It's hot up here. We're gonna throw away a bunch of stuff. All of my Halloween decor, aka my dead plants, they're gonna go. This umbrella, I have so many sandbags, still is not staying up. It's actually really annoying me. Anyways, we're off. It's very bright up here. I feel very Martha Stewart. I feel zen. I feel like I belong here. You know, not just because I own it, but because I belong with the plants in the garden or something like that, you know? I have swept as much as humanly possible. Like I have blisters from sweeping. We're gonna go ahead and start with the power washer. I know that it's not perfect, but honestly anything is better than what it looks like now. The dirt also is just like completely dry on here. Okay, we've got 39 minutes left. Let's see. Okay, will you unplug this? Because I have to do this for 30 seconds for a steady flow. Just turned it on and it's not going faster though. Which way? Wait.
Do we have to pump this?
Oh, that's what it is.
Do you have any final words to say?
The Reba song. Single mom. Wow. Oh wait. Whoa.
She does it all.
Look at me go. Guys, it may not look like much of a difference, but it's a big difference. I'm sweating, I feel disgusting. I just got added to a call in 35 minutes, so I'm gonna put everything away. Obviously this wasn't like a perfect job and I didn't get everything off. I understand it was just not gonna happen. I was just trying to get better than it's been, okay? But it looks a lot better, I swear. The after is much better. We still have to take these back to my neighbors, but we took a lot of trash down. I wish I could replace this. I don't know how I would replace it. It looks so much better. It's really wet and obviously it's not perfect, but I mean, it's good enough for me. Next time I'm hiring someone to power wash so it can actually be done really well. Anyways, it looks so much better in person. I don't know if it's translating on camera, but thank God. All right guys, it is 11:45. I'm gonna make breakfast now and get into my meetings for the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter kind of house cleanup video. If you made it to the end, comment down below room tour. Don't forget to download Poshmark. You guys can shop some of the items you guys saw in today's video on my store. I will have the link down below. Again, thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. I hope this video motivated you guys in some way, but love you guys so much and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. That's the worst. I'm so affected by light.
I'm so affected by light, and the photos on the listing were not what it was. And it was also in an area of LA which I like had never lived in, and it was way overpriced. Anyway, everything about it was just not good.